Okay, the next subject that we are going to go over is summarizing. So remember, a summary is telling you about what you read, but in a shorter way with only the most important details. And so we want to make sure that our summary includes what happened in the beginning, what happened in the middle, and what happened in the end. Since the passage is a little bit longer and the answer choices are longer, I'm going to give you 5 minutes to complete this. Ready? Go. All right, our time is up. So let's look at our answer choices. A says most animals need a place to get out of harsh weather conditions, for example, birds and bees. That gives us the beginning and the end. Where's our middle? A can't be our answer. B, there are two types of shelters, natural and habitat and animal-made shelters. There's our middle. Where's our beginning and end? B can't be our answer. C, living things need some shelter to protect them from harsh weather conditions. There's our beginning. Some animals live in natural habitats and build their own homes. There's a summary of our middle and our end. So C could very well be our answer. D, living things need shelter for protection. Many animals make their own, like birds making a nest and bees making a hive. That gives us our beginning and our middle. We're missing part of the middle and part of the end. So D is not our answer. Answer here is C. So if you chose C, let's look at what you're guessing.
Here's number 7. Time's up. The answer is peanut butter cup. You've made it to the halfway point. Good job. You have 7 more to go. You can do it. Number 8. Time's up. The answer is strawberry cheesecake.
My favorite.
Number 9.
That's a one.
Ooh, time's up. The answer is caramel.
Our next subject is author's purpose. Remember, the author's purpose is why they wrote what they wrote. Okay, I want to give you 3 minutes. Ready? Go. All right, time is up. Let's look at our answer choices. The first one asks or says, the author included the image too, so we know this is a graphic feature. Was this included to explain how the wings work? No, it's not what it's explaining to us. B suggests they are little. No, doesn't give us that clue. C, show what they look like. That is exactly why this photograph is included. Number 2, what is the author's purpose? I don't like when they give you guys just to persuade, to inform, to entertain. You need to know what they're trying to persuade you of, what they are informing you of, or how they're trying to entertain you. But we'll just let this one slide. A, to persuade. They're not trying to get you to buy anything, to feel any type of way, to think anything. A is not our answer. B, to inform. Could be our answer because they're giving you facts and information about the Indian flying fox. C, to entertain. They didn't write this just for your enjoyment. They're trying to give you facts and information, so B is our correct answer. Let's see what ice cream you are going to be guessing.
Time's up. The answer is French vanilla. 11. Time's up. The answer is black cherry. Number 12. Time's up. The answer is butter pecan.
That is the end of today's comprehension lesson. You are going to turn this in. If you're at home, make sure you take a picture of your answers and upload it to this assignment. And you are going to move on to today's assignment.